Are you hitting the daunting too many friends wall on Snapchat and wondering how to expand your social circle beyond its limits? You've probably encountered that frustrating message you've reached the maximum number of friends allowed on Snapchat. Well, it's a bummer. It doesn't mean you have to stop connecting with new people. Today, we're diving into smart ways to navigate these limitations and keep your Snapchat experience vibrant. First, let's address the elephant in the room: Snapchat's friend limit. While the exact number can fluctuate, it's designed to encourage a more curated and manageable friend list. But what if you have genuine connections with more people than the platform currently allows? The key is to think beyond just the direct friend request on Snapchat. One effective workaround is to leverage other platforms. If you've met someone new and want to stay connected, consider exchanging social media handles on Instagram, TikTok, or even contact information if appropriate. This allows you to maintain those connections without taxing your Snapchat friend count. On these alternative platforms, you can still share your daily stories, send direct messages, and react to their posts, essentially achieving the same social interaction you'd want on Snapchat. It's about diversifying your digital social spaces. Another crucial strategy is to proactively manage your existing Snapchat friend list. Take a moment to review who you're following. Are there accounts you no longer interact with, or perhaps bots or spam accounts that have crept in? Regularly pruning your friend list by removing inactive or unwanted accounts can free up valuable space for new connections. It's a simple, yet powerful way to ensure your friend list remains relevant and exciting. Think of your Snapchat list as your inner circle for close friends and family, and use other platforms or even contact information for broader acquaintances and new connections. This layered approach ensures you can connect with virtually anyone you meet, without being limited by a single app's restrictions. By embracing these workarounds, you can bypass Snapchat's friend limit, expand your network, and maintain a positive and engaging social media experience. Keep connecting, keep sharing, and happy snapping!